Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are looking at applications of simultaneous equations. So we've got a worded question here and we are going to look at the information, we are going to set it up and then we are going to solve it. So the first thing I'm going to do is read and think about the information and break it down. The sum of the ages of two children is 17 and the difference in their ages is 5. If Kara is the older sister of Ben, determine their ages. So the first part of the information is I know the sum means the total. We're adding. The sum of the ages is 17. So I'm going to make Kara K and I'm going to make Ben B. So the first equation I have is Kara plus Ben equals 17. Let's keep on going and find the next equation that we have. And the difference in their ages is 5. So I know it says here the difference, so that's takeaway, is 5. If Kara is the older, so we start off with Kara. Kara take B equals 5. Now, first thing, so we've got our two equations now. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is joining them up. So for example, I am going to get K by itself. So to do that, I am going to take B from this side to the other side, which means I need to take B from both sides. If I take B from both sides, it cancels it out. So I can rewrite that as K equals 17 take B. Now I've got K equals 17 take B. I've got my other equation, K take B equals 5. The only thing I need to do now is substitute this in for K. So I'm going to put 17 take B, 17 take B, then I've still got take B equals 5. So now I've done that, now I can try and simplify it. So I've got negative B, and I'm taking another B away. So that means I've got negative 2B. So 17 take 2B equals 5. I would like to get B by itself. So I can see 17 is on this side at the moment. So I'm going to get 17 away, because that's the loose without a variable. So the opposite of plus 17 is minus 17. So I'm going to minus 17 on both sides. If I minus 17 on both sides, the 17 cancels out here. So 17 takes 17 equals 0. So I've got negative 2B equals 5 take 17 is negative 12. So now I've got this. I still want to get B by itself. So to get B by itself, it's negative 2 times B. The opposite of times is divide. So I'm going to divide this side by negative 2, which means I divide the other side by negative 2. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1, so I've just got B left here. Negative and negative equals a positive, so negative 12 divided by negative 2 equals 6. So that tells me that Ben is 6 years old. So let's So let's double check that. So to start off, if I know Ben is 6 years old, I'm going to put 6 in here. K take 6 equals 5, which means K will be 5 plus 6 equals 11. So let's double check that. So here we've got K equals 5 plus 6, so K must equal 11. We can double check that over here with this formula. If K is 11 and we're adding Ben's age, which is 6, 11 plus 6 equals 17. So we've worked our two equations out, we have solved them, and we can double check our answer. Really hope that helps you to understand how we can set up and solve simultaneous equations and the application of this.